Good day to you. With another chapter in my car with my cigar. And usually I like to talk about the children. I talk about the parents' role and what the children are doing and the fact that children don't raise themselves. I'm enjoying a cigar called Patoro. This is a unique little cigar. It comes out of Dominican Republic. It's an orange band with a star on top. Patoro. And I first tried this guy at Tobacco Plus and hadn't tried it in a little while. Love the little cigar. What they're doing with it, like I said, comes out of Dominican. And you often hear the word Cuban seed. You don't hear it much anymore, but Cuban seed is an example that the root of what the cigar grower and roller does is from Cuba. With the borders being opened by the former President Barack Obama, you can actually get Cubans legally now. I brought up Cuba only because this cigar is the closest thing I ever had as a legal domestic sold cigar to a Cuban, like this little guy. They go for about 13 bucks. I want to talk about the amount of hate that can fester in a person who surrenders their mind to any and everything that may be around you. There are a lot of voices, there are a lot of choices, there are a lot of people, there's a lot of negativity, there's a lot of information, there's a lot of television and radio stories that will feed a hungry mind. And it is your thoughts, your independent thoughts, away from someone speaking, talking, leading you, that will protect your mind. So that if you don't take the responsibility of your thoughts, you pretty much are subject to anything. Now, there are those who believe that there is a devil out there. They believe that they have angels out there, and the angels protect them. And they believe that there is a Lord that protects them, and there is a God that protects them, and the Spirit of God protects them. I don't know who they believe really protects them because I just named 5 beings. But they don't give their thoughts and their mind to any of these things on a continuous basis. So it is in the desolate, dry areas where we're not thinking, we're not imagining, we're not creating, that this hate and primal reaction can take place. My wife was telling me about had I heard of the story of the young lady that body was impaled into a tree. And I responded, was that the one that was associated with a Facebook in battle? Said, I don't know what it was about. It's horrible to hear about anything happening. Nobody deserves, well, very few people deserve the things that they get in life. What happens to a person's mind when they take their vehicle that they pay monthly insurance for and take the risk of driving their vehicle with so much disregard and downright hate that you impale a young lady, 18 years old, over a guy, over having the last word, over the I showed her. There's something wrong with our mind, people. And if you don't use your mind, you will most certainly lose your mind. There's no way out of it. If you don't get control of your thoughts, something, someone will get control of your thoughts. People say he went from 0 to 100. Some people brag about going to 0 to 100 real quick. But something is happening to people's mind, and we can't always blame it on mental illness. I believe that if you turn off your television, turn off the radio, and stop allowing yourself to be encompassed about with all these voices drowning out your own thoughts, drowning out your own sensitivities, incapabilities, and plans for your life, and you just grapple them. Listen to your thoughts. Create great thoughts. Feed your mind great thinking and inventions. You won't become a victim to that. Otherwise, as I said, if you don't use your mind, you most certainly will lose your mind. This is Arnold, Mr. Dad Tate, in my car with my cigar. Like this video, share this video, like and share. Check me out on YouTube, and also subscribe and tell a friend about me. They don't have Facebook, which is where I post sometimes. Everybody has YouTube, but send it in the email. Let them check me out. Thank you so much.